Welcome. So today I am pouring caramel vanilla in these cocoa design candle jars. So when you purchase the designs, you get to pick the scent that you want. I happen to have a few customers who are wanting the same scent. So we have two cat candles with a little mouse on the paw, a bunny candle and a floral candle. These are just a snippet of the designs I do. There are a lot of dog designs, a lot of other cat designs, horses, farm animals, and I'm hoping to expand on that this year as well. So if you have a design in mind, let me know and I will make it happen. You also have the choice to have an engraved candle lid. A lot of people choose the engraving on the lid for special birthdays, anniversaries, condolences, and a lot of in memory as well. I design the candle lid. I send you up to 5 designs. You get to pick from those designs, change little elements around and make sure that you're happy with it. Then I'll engrave it, make your candle, and send it out to you as well. So caramel vanilla is one of the most popular scents because it's very strong, and I hope you love.